Same prompt, same Copilot. Different model, very different answer. Here's what most people do. They open Copilot, type their question, and take whatever comes back. If the answer feels thin, they blame the prompt. But the prompt was fine. The problem is that Copilot now runs on more than one AI model, and each one is good at different things. Quick answers, deep reasoning, images. If you never choose, Copilot chooses for you, and it does not always guess right. Today's superpower is model instinct. In less than 1 minute, you will learn a simple habit that tells you which AI brain fits the task in front of you, and how to switch to it in one click, inside the tools you already use every day. Notice when a result feels wrong. Open the model picker. If you are not sure, ask Copilot which model fits. Then match the model to the task. Sharper results, less wasted time, better output. Let us see it done. Here is the habit. Open Copilot Chat and look at the top of the screen, right next to Work IQ. That little drop-down says Auto. Click it. The message box in the center is where you ask Copilot for help. Just above it sit two small controls, Work IQ and Auto, and together they shape what Copilot knows and how it thinks. Those two controls are what this lesson is about. Selecting Auto opens your model menu. This is where you choose how Copilot approaches your request. Auto makes that decision for you. Quick Response is built for speed, when you need an answer right away. Think Deeper takes longer and reasons more carefully through complex work. Below these, you can choose models from different AI providers, so the task in front of you always gets the right kind of thinking. Now watch the message box. Typing a / reveals the magic /. Think of it as a shortcut to your Work IQ. Selecting a file this way takes you into its own application. Here, that is Excel. The Copilot pane opens on the right, ready to organize, summarize, or analyze your workbook. And your model choice travels with you. The control at the top of the pane opens the same menu, so you can match the model to the job. Deeper reasoning for analysis, a faster model for quick edits. Back in chat, the magic / works for any workplace content. Typing just a few letters filters your Work IQ instantly, and one selection opens the presentation itself. In PowerPoint, the Copilot pane offers the same help, this time for your slides. It can add a slide from a description, summarize the deck, or clean up a layout. The model menu here includes one extra section, Image Generation. These models create original images directly inside your presentation, so you can illustrate an idea without ever leaving the slide. Each application surfaces the models best suited to its kind of work. So remember, one place, many models. Choose the thinking that fits the task, and let your Work IQ bring the context. So next time Copilot gives you a flat answer, try using a different model.